The government of Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Insaf, considers the Pakistan business community to be the biggest asset of the country. It is these businessmen and women, entrepreneurs, industrialists, that will shape the future of Pakistan economy. I hope that Pakistani business community will continue to extend its support for making the single window more robust. Pakistan and Pakistani businesses have to be ready for taking advantage of new opportunities. As a government, our priority is to facilitate businesses, including small and medium-sized businesses, by providing a suitable enabling environment for growth and innovation and improving their competitiveness by reducing the time and cost of doing business. By doing so, the single window will provide a comparative advantage to Pakistani businesses and trading community and enter new markets and enhance exports. Our government is actively pursuing the agenda of making Pakistan a hub for regional trade and transit and realizing the full impact of Pakistan's geostrategic and geo-economic location. In this regard, a major milestone was achieved by operationalizing the TIR agreement and dispatch of transit consignments to Uzbekistan and Turkey. The Pakistan single window will further boost this effort of regional connectivity by effective use of ICT technologies, ensuring enhanced facilitation for trading across borders. Countering financial crimes and trade-based money laundering is one of our key priorities, and I'm delighted to know that by integrating with international shipping and banking databases, Pakistan single window will eventually enable seamless collection and dissemination of information to customs, the State Bank of Pakistan, and other relevant agencies for prevention of such crimes and malpractices.